Hello everyone, this is GameFlow AI Director. It helps turn one winning game idea into localized marketing creatives that are ready for testing. So I'm here as day one input brief. So here you can see that this is where I define the campaign's direction, audience, channels, and brand rules. So Mira can also help me update the brief to conversations authentically. So maybe I will ask Mira to update the winning team to be, for example, Arcade Legend return stronger. Let's send mirrors and it will update automatically the winning teams without replacing other things. And you can also ask Mira to add more channels or markers per channels. So it's depending on the input here that you have, and you have a summarize on the page here. So let's go ahead and generate the variants. You can go to the generated variants. So here now the game flow generate different creative directions for each channels and markets. And instead of making one generic ad, it creates localized variants with different hooks, CTAs, and creative angles. Here's the coverage matrix for summarize. Each channel has the different markets, or maybe one channel for one market. You can generate as much as you can. So in the review stage, this is where it gets interesting because there's a lot of things. You can manually shortlist these or add to the compare set, or you can choose it. Or you can simply ask our directors here, mirrors, to just pick three candidates that is likely to win, one from Vietnam and two from Thailand. So it will try its best and review all of these cars for you and pick the three best candidates, one from Vietnam and two from Thailand. So let's wait a bit. Now that it updated for us, as you can see here, you can go to the continue to approve and you can see that there are three final candidates ready for A and B setup. The selection prioritized three high scoring candidates here and I can review these. I can also view the detailed comparisons. Now Mira compares the selected candidate and recommends an A and B plan for me. And so I also can approve the recommended plans instead of Mira so that I have more creative control here. So I think this is good. I can approve the recommended plans. Now I can go to the next stage, continue with the layout stage. Now after approval, I prepare the creative for different placement here so that Mira can look at these setups, or we can ask Mira to, hey, make this more creative. And Mira can analyze the image and know where the character is and apply the crop and also placement of the text here. Let's try it first. So when you hit the buttons or you chat with Mira to place the box manually, it will try its best to do the composition on the image that we provide for it. So it automatically switch to the edit box here. We can switch back to the reviews and we can see here. It's really interesting that Mira can analyze the image and apply some CTAs, logos, or the hooks here. And in order to that, you can have more creative control, right? You can go to the edit boxes if there are some things that you don't want to have or you want to edit, you can just drag it or edit it. That is one way. So let's move on with the export. So the export here is very simple. We can export a full campaign with a PDF files or a JSON files, or we can export the things that we want, like the PDF handoff here for the TikTok Vietnam, Facebook Thailand, or Facebook Thailand variant 3. It's depending on you. So when it is exporting, you can see that it generates a PDF files for use with all of the informations about our channels and markets. So this is good for the testing.